Good morning, guys. Long time no see. Yeah, I know you guys have missed me. I know you have missed me. Hope you can even hear me because the fan is very, very high. But today I'm taking you guys on a day in my life. I am prepared. As you can see, my scarf is always telling you that I'm going somewhere. So guys, this is my full fit. I'm going to the market. I'm thinking of, I don't have any vlog, so I'm thinking of taking you guys along to the market. So today will be a day in my life, kind of. So you can see my sunglasses, my scarf, watch, everything is on point and everything is checked out. You see the way I'm shining, right? You see the way I'm shining, going, see my lip gloss, see everything, see the way my face is shining. I don't think that's what it will be like when I'm back. When I'm back, this face is going to be kind of messed up, but let's enjoy the glow while we can. I've missed you guys. How are you guys doing? Please just comment how you're doing. It's been very long I picked up my phone to vlog, like so many things has been going on. But this is my birthday month. I even forget to add it. This is my birthday month. I'm so happy and I can't wait for my birthday. So let's go, let's start to go enjoy. Let's head on our day. Bye bye.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if
So guys, I'm in the market right now.
I fall.
Guys, I'm just getting home and I am so tired. Look at my face. What I do every single day. I am so tired, famished, but today looks better. I'm just really sweaty, but I look better than before. So this is a day in my life and I don't know, I'm supposed to be looking here, so let me look here. So guys, I'll do a little unboxing of what I got, but I don't know if I should show you guys. Ciao, anything, I'll show you guys. Yes.
Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's bad. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.